Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. This is the day 4 in Goa. Today we are riding back to Hyderabad. So before going, I just wanted to show you guys the room where we stayed. So this is the entrance. This is the entrance, and they've given us 3 wardrobes. We have put our helmets and stuff here. Our jackets are here. This is the washroom. I'll show the washroom in a bit. This is my luggage. There's this huge mirror. TV. A cooking place like for tea and coffee. A small table. And this bed. There's a huge space here. That's nice. So this is how the room looks. I'll show you the washroom now. This is the washroom. It's like this. They've given us a bathtub. By the way, that's all the sand from our clothes. There's a mirror. So this is how our room looks. We have stayed here for 1.5 days. We came here the day before yesterday afternoon, late afternoon. Now this is day 4, the 1st of October, and we are leaving in like 10-15 minutes. So I'll vlog once everyone is ready and our luggages are packed. We are preparing some tea so that we can drink while riding. Not while riding, whenever we take a break, like a breakfast break or a lunch break. They've given us a kettle. We are using this to boil the water. And then we have bought milk powder and some tea bags. And sugar. So we are preparing some tea and we're gonna fill it in this flask and drink whenever we want to drink. Hey guys, we have started to Hyderabad. It's 5 a.m. We got delayed by 30 minutes, but that's okay. Okay, Kamal is using the maps. Right now, it took us almost 20-25 minutes to come onto the highway from those small lanes. Today's ride is gonna be a 14 hours 30 minutes as per Google. So including breaks, it's gonna take us 16 to 17 hours. That is, even if we start at 6 a.m. in the morning, we'll be like 11 p.m. at night. So we are trying to cover a good distance in the morning before breakfast and before lunch maybe, so that we can do the ride easily in the afternoon and evening. The only problem is that we might feel sleepy or we'll get tired. This is the Shinoli route. We don't know how it is, but for now the roads are bad. The average speed has fallen to around 30 kilometers per hour, 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. The road is uneven and you cannot maintain one speed here. Oh, that looks awesome. Look at the view. Look at this. So cool. The estimated time it says you will reach by 8:35 p.m. That's like that though if you ride continuously. We definitely need a breakfast break and a lunch break. It's gonna be a tough ride today. We all decided that चलो कोई नहीं, अगर लेट हो गया तो लेट हो गया. Let's explore and go. We'll take breaks. We'll compromise near the breaks, and we'll explore such paths. Actually, this is very beautiful. We should have stopped multiple times, but we aren't focusing anywhere, and we're just riding and riding. There's a river. I don't know if it's a river. It's a stream of water.
Bro, water వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ నిలబడి ఫోటో దిగినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. బాగా డేటా వస్తలేరా?
Look at this. And the water looks so clean. Bro, water chala clean ఉన్నాయి. Now I'll change this case. I'll put the flip cover back on it and make it waterproof, and then I'll take it into the water. It's gonna be fun. So changing in 3, 2, 1. We spent quite a lot of time here. Now I don't think we'll stop for another 150 or 200 kilometers. It was fun. You might have liked the shots. Extreme gas. Look at this on the map. Can you see this? Now look at that in real life. It's gonna be insane. Oh. What is this elevation? Okay, my ears are getting blocked. What is this? Boy, it's like the volume has been reduced to almost 50% right now. Oh. Okay, we are still going up. Good thing that we took this route, or else we would have missed all of this. Okay, we are still going up. Oh boy, this view. I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna show it to you. Guys, look at this view. Kamal, నేను మ్యాప్లో ఒకటి చూపించినాడు ఏందిరా ఇది అనేసి, అదే ఇది మ్యాప్ చూడు నీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇట్లుంటుంది చూడు, ఇట్లా అగ్గిలేక అనేసి చెప్పిన. ఇగో 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 ఇగో
ఓకే
అదే ఇది బ్రో. నాకు తెలిసి మనం ఇంకా పైన పోతామేమో.
ఓపెన్ ఉంది కదా నాకు,
మొత్తం ఆగం ఉండదు. మన లెవెల్లో ఉంది క్లౌడ్. అగో
పంపించాలంతే సీదా.
నా బండి సెకండ్ గేర్లోనే ఎక్కుతలేదు ఇక్కడ.
నేను థర్డ్ గేర్ వేస్తున్నా, నేను థర్డ్ లోనే వస్తున్నా.
Guys, we stopped here and we did a quick photo session because of the view which is in front of me. It's looking so beautiful. Just look at it. Guys, as I said, we did a quick photo session. Now we need to go back. We don't have time, but these places too cool, too beautiful. Oh no 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 no. It was too beautiful, man. We had to stop and click pictures. Guys, look at all this. Whoa. This is awesome. మీరున్నా గుంటూరా? ఎక్కడ గోవా పోతున్నారా? మేము గోవా నుంచి రిటర్న్ అవుతున్నాం. Guys, look at this.
Wallpaper view.
Take a screenshot and make it your desktop wallpaper. Brother, we will do one thing. We will tent tonight. Not happening today.
బండి ఎలివేషన్ అసలు యాంగిల్ క్లౌడ్స్ ఎంత.
Guys, I don't think we'll reach home today. The locations, they are so good. Just look at this. Look at this location. I don't think you all can see it in the GoPro, but that's all mountains. All right, we'll click some pictures and we'll keep going. We stayed here for 20-30 minutes maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure, but now we are sure that we won't reach Hyderabad by 11 PM or 12 PM, so we are taking it slow. just stopped here and I went to that sweet shop and bought some sweet. It is called as Kunda. My mom asked me to buy it because it is only available in Belgaum, Belgavi, whatever you want to call it. Guys, we are in the Belgaum city. We just fueled up. Guys, I'm on the National Highway 218. I don't know what this river is, but it's huge. It's 3:27 p.m. right now. We have covered only 282 kilometers. That's too little. The roads were like that. We were driving on the ghat roads. Now the estimated reach time is it's 11:45 p.m. 392 kilometers left. I'm riding the Himalayan right now. It's getting dark and there's no point in vlogging while riding because you cannot see anything. So I'm riding the Himalayan right now. Okay, the time is around 6:30 p.m. so it's gonna get dark soon. It's gonna get dark in like half an hour. We are like 280 kilometers away. It got dark and now we don't even have street lights or something like that. Now our next stop will be in Gulbarga. We did not eat lunch, so we are planning to stop at Gulbarga and eat something. And if we plan to continue the ride, then we will pack some food and we'll head out. I found a Domino's here, so we are heading there. It's 2.8 kilometers right now and it started raining. We don't even have rain liner. We bought some pizzas from Domino's and we sat near our bikes and had a dinner, lunch come dinner come supper, I don't know. We need some water bottles. We haven't drank water since afternoon. That's crazy. We are looking for a petrol bunk. Not any petrol bunk, but a bigger one where it runs 24/7 and there are a lot of people coming in and out. Hey guys, it's around 4:30 in the morning. We stayed here in the petrol bunk. I did not vlog anything because I had a terrible headache. We put our tent here, as you can see. Yeah, we put our tent here and our 3 bikes are parked here. Now the time is 4:29 a.m. so 4:30 a.m. We'll start by 4:45. It'll take us around 3 hours. I'm not sure how many kilometers is left. 3 or 4 hours maybe. So I'll meet you once we start moving. It's cold. So it's 4:50 a.m. right now. It's gonna take us 4 hours. We stopped because I was feeling a bit sleepy. Yep, very little sleep last night. I mean, we woke up at 4:10 a.m. We slept at around 12, so 4 hours of sleep, and now we are riding. Hyderabad is 149 kilometers from here. I need some tea or coffee. I'm feeling sleepy. Chai. I'll drink some tea. That'll freshen me up. Okay, I'll have my tea. Or coffee, let's see what's available and then I'll go. The tea was good, but I'm just worried about COVID. Not exactly worried, but I wasn't eating outside frequently or drinking tea and coffee outside. Guys, I just came back home. My GoPro battery died. I'm just removing the luggage and other stuff. I'll park my bike and yeah, that's the ride. So this is how my bike looks right now.